Hey DIYers, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark with DecoArt, we are making Lacey paper hearts with old magazines. And we're painting them with Americana Decor Metallics in vintage brass, my favorite metallic color. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video and leave DecoArt a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hello to DecoArt. Are you ready? Let's make some Lacey paper hearts. Americana Decor Metallics come in a ton of different colors, so pick your favorites and don't forget to make your mark with DecoArt. I'll see you next week.